Let's go.
Okay, so introducing a Jive basic step along with the roll in and the roll out. So it's step 2, this is the basic step, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I get into the shuffle. Okay, so from here what I can do is bring my partner in and roll her towards my right. Now once I roll her towards my right, I can move her in the direction sideways. Bring her in and move her out again. Now the other option is to bring her in, move her in the front and roll her to the other side. The same way it's back. 1, 2, 3 this way and out. So the count for this step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The roll out is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the other option is roll her in, come in, and then I can also drop. So it's a side drop. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, drop and stretch out. So the other option is the roll out inwards this way, out, stretch out. Now the most important thing is to stretch in the opposite side whenever you're doing any of these steps. So stretch in the opposite side, bring your partner in from the shoulder, move her out, shoulder, move her out, shoulder, move her out. And now if I want to get back to the step again, I bring her in and start off with the basic again and start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, shuffle. In, bring her in towards my right, roll her out, roll her in. Now if I want to move her to the opposite side, I'll move, step back and then bring. Move a step back and bring her in. And